good morning. It totally threw me off when I saw this eye done and this eye not. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to share with you, this is probably one of the simplest eye looks you can do, but it really helps you look put together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking my liquid shadow in Business Like. There's a couple of really great light shades to choose from as well as darker. Let me share those with you really quick. So another one I like a lot is Giggly. It's like a pink color. One of my favorites is Reverent. It's a champagne color. You can see I have used it quite a bit because you can start to see the container. We also have like some browns. There's Overt, which is a nice matte brown. There is Willed, which is a little bit darker brown, and then Ornate. This is really pretty, like a gold color. Then there's some pinks, like darker pinks and reds. So there's several different options to choose from, but this one is the one I'm going to use today. It's called Business Like, and I'm going to look down into my mirror here. So there's a couple ways you can apply these. You can use the applicator. And so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to take that liquid shadow all around the curvature of my eyelid and apply it with the applicator. Now, if you've seen my videos, you know I say to you, if you don't want that to be as dramatic of a color, you can also apply it with your finger. That's going to give you a lighter application. I'm going to put the lid on. You can also use a cream shadow brush. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my fluffy crease brush and I'm going to go right along the edge. I did clean my brush ahead of time with my brush cleaner to get rid of any other pigments that might have been on there, because I want just to really kind of blend out this pink purple color. Okay, so you can see I'm just going right along the edge and just blending that up and out. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to kind of let that dry a minute. While that's drying, I'm going to go in with my white eyeliner. I like to use this along the lower waterline. I am tired, you all. I just got back from my travels. So this really helps to just brighten the eye. Okay, that white does. That's still kind of drying a little bit, so let me kind of air dry it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my liquid eyeliner. I have found that the liquid eyeliner allows to glide on top of that liquid shadow a little bit smoother than the pencil does. It doesn't mean that you can't use the pencil. It's just I have found it's easiest if you use the liquid. And I will tell you, let me see if I can kind of turn this down a little bit. Maybe not. Okay. Just joking. I'm going to take, I like to set my elbow on the table when I'm drawing the line with the liquid eyeliner. It just helps you be a little bit more steady. The other technique that I use is I do really short strokes, left to right and right to left, until I kind of have created that line that I want. And I keep it really close to the lash line, because it's going to give the appearance of fuller lashes. Another tip I have is when you have that lid on really tight for your liquid eyeliner is to store it upside down. It allows all that liquid to go onto the actual applicator for the liner versus you're having to dip into the jar multiple times. All right, and now I'm going to go in with my 40 one-step fiber mascara, kind of twirl the wand out of the tube to push those fibers into the wand, and I'm going to look straight down as I kind of put on that mascara, and I really kind of blink it onto my lash. I do a lot, you all, because my lashes are non-existent, and this mascara really helps to get that volume as well as that length. So you can go in, you can put on one coat. That's what I'm doing today. I'm keeping it kind of a little bit more simple by just really coating on one solid coat. I do kind of go on the backs of my lashes a little bit as well to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then once I put on the fiber mascara on top, what I like to do is I like to just use the regular mascara on the bottom, because my lashes are so long on the bottom, I feel like it looks odd. Okay, so I'm going to just take my regular Epic mascara and just do a couple of little swipes along the bottom there to get that on. And that's it, you all. And I wanted to just really show you how simple it is to apply that one shadow. The cool thing about the liquid shadows is that they are what's called prismatic, which means that when the shadow hits the light, it actually looks like you have on a couple of different shadows, right? It looks like I have a darker color in the outer corner and I don't. You all saw, it's just that one shadow throughout. So I think that's a really cool hack, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I hope you have a great day.